I demand the buying. I ran to a one for necessary go to buy a crew. I'm here, pay. I hope you pay or to anybody delay.
Papa Nae.
The lion.
Yeah, Tinsem.
The court, yeah.
Yeah, Tinsem.
Come and meet your international judge.
Yeah, Tinsem.
Papa Nae.
Yeah, Tinsem.
The lion.
Yeah, Tinsem.
Mr. Me problem. What do you want from me? Me problem. Can't be. Come on, me problem. Listen, well. I want to hear my voice.
I was for Amunike was something another canoe. Amunike idea, Papa no ye, and I say, infantry, maybe a oil, yeah. And I want to say the Equalana, would you treat yes, said echo. I don't know about it, don't pay more. Now, Bema, or be Bema, or the confound was the Bema the mobile. I think. I never I wouldn't do this. Oh, there will be my khakis, I can with the kiss with you. Hey, there's no Uber, and Cocky. I don't say out of the big brother. Kadeka said that he got here once.
Hey, Papa Nae.
The lion.
Papa Nae.
The lion.
Yeah, Tinsem.
The court, yeah.
Yeah, Tinsem.
Papa, this guy is a thief.
Who is this guy?
Who is the thief? He's a thief. I know him.
Who is this guy?
People have been talking about him. He's a thief.
I say, who is this guy?
This Santo guy. I know him.
Me Santo guy.
He has stolen my girlfriend's phone. iPhone 12 Pro Max.
And to be frank, I saw him stealing it. He's just a cleaner there. I saw him. Please don't lie. I saw you taking it.
Apart from cleaning the hotel,
You
have
took
seen
the
this
phone.
thing
You
anything?
took the phone, please.
Who took the phone?
You.
Me took the
Yes.
phone. Have you seen any phone
I
with me?
saw you.
I swear to God.
Don't swear.
She's a lie.
Yeah, why
She's a lie. It is
Papa,
not true.
The girl said she saw him enter my room.
I was
So
just
that's
going
a
to
clear evidence that
What were you going to do
the
there?
phone.
What am I?
Everybody puncher.
Not a puncher. Talk. So right now,
Today.
there's no need for us to be here talking plenty.
Hey,
Just
don't
show
talk.
him.
Don't talk like that.
50 years. This one 50 years.
Don't talk like that. Are you a judge?
No, I'm not a judge.
Are you a judge?
No, I'm not a judge.
Are you a lawyer?
I'm not a lawyer. But he's a thief.
He's a civilian. Why make it?
I insist he took the phone, but you shouldn't be saying that.
Where are you from for? Where are you from? Okay,
Hey,
but I don't think.
you came in with English. Don't picture here.
Okay.
You speak English throughout. And you this guy too. And you too. Only this guy not talk, so I don't know you speak Chi or you speak English. What's over Kadei?
I have nothing to
Let's say today's program is English.
Every point.
Oh, no, no, we are prepared.
Every point is English. Okay. Now, start afresh.
I said, Papa na.
Yes.
I said, this guy is a thief.
This
The
guy.
whole neighborhood have been talking about him.
The neighbor.
Yeah,
The neighbor.
Papa, I said the whole neighborhood. Everybody knows.
No.
He barged into my room and he stole my girlfriend's phone.
You sit from where?
Me, I'm sitting from the Mulat Hotel side.
Yes.
So I'm just a cleaner for.
You are cleaner.
Yes.
Why you go?
Oh, as a cleaner, in the morning you need to enter in each room
And why
and clean it.
And you go the room and
No, I was just cleaning at the floor. I just cleaned the floor. Then later on, come up on the
You need not to go to everybody's room to clean. You just make sure that the campus is just clean. The campus is just clean. So why did you enter the room?
Now why do you enter?
You went
just
there
like
to
that I
steal
do.
the phone, and I saw you.
I put it to you. You arrest the phone. Yes, I put it to you.
I didn't know anything.
They
Have the
just
phone.
deny you.
I don't have
I
it too.
saw you.
Don't
Don't be arrogant.
don't make me
Who is
angry.
this lady?
What are you
She's my colleague's girlfriend.
So you say witness.
So
Your colleague.
Madam,
My
what,
colleague's
why did
girlfriend.
you see
Okay,
Do you see me feeling?
Hey!
Papa, now you have to do this boy.
I talk one.
You want to teach us our way.
50 years.
You want to
So
teach
we are
us
just
our
wasting
way.
our time here.
Take him to court 50 years. Take him to prison. Take him to the prison and say 50 years. I never respect him.
Today,
Let them go.
to be frank,
We don't go talk about this case.
you know, be other people that. To be frank, they came here and surprised new
Antenna.
Papa na.
Papa now.
Why you go to that room full
yes.
full
The
the
12
time
woman.
you choose the run. Why?
Oh, as a cleaner, I was just making sure that
Papa na
every room is clean. So I just went there.
Why you
Wait till we
But you
came
don't
out.
clean there. You don't clean it.
This is that I clean inside.
No, I
This is
didn't.
that
I
I clean
didn't.
inside.
Hey, you have talk already. I said the meeting is talk.
How will I let this bad head enter my room?
Then what are you
To
doing
visit my
here?
boyfriend.
So what are you doing here? What are you doing? Why do
I'm
you
the
follow
owner of
them?
the phone.
You are the owner of the phone.
Yes.
And who is this guy?
He's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend,
And I'm his colleague.
His colleague.
your boyfriend.
Yes.
You are a cleaner in the school.
Yes, so
Hey,
I'm a
hey,
cleaner.
bring my phone.
Which phone?
I said, bring my phone.
Which phone?
Bring it.
I don't have the phone. No.
Phone.
You have it.
You tell. Bring my phone.
You can even ask the phone that who took him. It's not me. Ask the phone.
Who took the video?
I don't know.
Have you called the phone?
We tried calling the phone, but now the phone
But
is
the phone
switched
is a
off.
Promas.
And
So 12 Promas, you can track the phone. So track the phone and see where
The phone is not on. We can't track it.
And then
Off.
Let's
The
wait.
phone is off.
let's wait. If the phone is on, then we track it. By you, the phone is your own. Yes,
Please.
And you are not talking. That means you are lying.
You know,
Hey, get out there. Who are you?
Please excuse me.
Excuse me.
You are denying the phone is not missing. I saw him taking the phone.
Are you the witness?
I'm the
Yeah,
witness.
she's the
I
eyewitness,
saw
right?
it.
So-
Madam.
Did you eye me?
Yesterday, they dry land and they better. Wait now, phone. The food is for you. You are relaxed. Check it out.
Why explain the phone? Explain the phone.
Yeah, you can.
Papa, so kata so far. I never dem go phone. One phone na my house. Make sure say me the tree.
As you speak,
Now okra there.
No, babe.
Share. No. We need a phone right now. This means this is a false allegation. I just want to force it. Me papa ewu. Scar me go say feed no.
You need not to behave
No.
like
Share.
that.
Wait, stop what you're doing.
You make me how for
Yeah.
We came here to solve our problem, so why are you doing this?
No, look how they are doing.
Oh, stop
They're
that.
just being unfair.
This is the food is first because you are fucking man. Your father is dead and you are telling you are the coffee money to buy food. You are
For your
fool.
girlfriend.
your food is confirmed.
wonder?
Yeah, take the phone.
It's confirmed.
Go home.
Oh, bad.
Jay, what about me? What about me?
Go home.
Go away.
I'm
You're
going.
free. You're free forever.
Where are you going? I'm going home.
No, we came here to solve the problem.
You saw the
You saw.
The message
Solve
this
it.
boy.
Solve it.
You saw this. This boy came here.
No.
Listen. Was the one I saw him. I saw him.
You saw him.
Yes, with
Where's your
my
evidence?
naked eyes.
But
Where's your
I
evidence?
saw him. I saw you with my naked eyes.
You're naked.
Why are you denying it?
You're supposed to wear your eye
Please,
clothes.
where is my phone?
You
Bring
deny.
the phone. Bring the phone.
Hey, wait. You deny.
Yeah, I'm denying. Yeah, I'm denying.
Curse him.
For the first time.
Curse him.
Are you the owner of the phone?
Hey,
Are you the owner?
You
For
die.
the first time on the air. Bodia.
curse him.
Are you the owner of the phone?
But the Bible says I'm not to care.
You are a Christian, so you need to let it go. Let it go.
You see,
We have phone that don't let it go. Take the phone.
I don't have it.
Everybody, my people, my fans, my audience. Today, I interpreted in this house, you know. It's a vagabond in this house. Hey, give me the phone.
Let's take it to court.
No, my dad. I'm only using this phone.
My dad is
I'm not
watching.
using the phone.
I'm taking the
you
phone
are
right now.
lying.
Oh, I'm not lying.
lying.
I'm saying true.
You are really careless.
Why you
Why do you
saying
leave
that?
the phone in the room?
Me,
Yes.
I'm careless.
You are careless.
But you shouldn't
telling your
behave.
girlfriend.
No.
But we went out together. Huh?
You're acting that. Acting that.
You're supposed to take the phone go. The phone walk and go away.
Papa.
If you try me again, I will head you.
You head me.
We are part of it at home. Ya ba o hen da.
Wo no ba ka sa da o. Wo say, wo no ba ka sa da.
Oba ka si. No na.
Obi aje o get da o.
Oh, say obi gina me so me ji you. So if you take it I take
Adira. Papa na.
Obi
You behave like a stranger. Go.
All of the reasons, the topic on the phone is not understandable. Like your father in the field needs the money to buy phone for a woman. You don't care for your father, so this is fucking case. Go and solve it.
Go and solve it.
We can't solve it anymore.
Go and solve it.
Yeah, that's it. Yes.
We don't solve fucking cases.
Yeah.
Because I said, I'm a what the fuck I talk, what the snack I talk for more about brown Tadaka.
Are you saying?
Go and solve your problem. We can't solve it for you.
Are you saying you a poor?
Walk out from us.
if they don't give me my phone,
Tell
you
your
join my
tell
dad
your boyfriend. Don't tell us.
at the mortuary, I swear. Over come about I'm not an escort driver.
Go to.
Maybe escort driver and my car for escort.
Hey, quiet. Go to prison.
So Naya, Obey so don't sabi Edesane. I want to
Papa
move.
na Papa na.
I'm not sure who is serious.
Yeah, man.
Who your friend phone I hear was here but they who here.
Who pay me? Papa.
Maybe who here was.
Who Papa me prove?
Hey, human being. Take it serious.
Hey, hotel, I know on the phone.
Today going, these people.
Oh, leave me. Oh,
What am I? What is what you want? What is what you want?
Hey, Bora.
Leave the studio.
I think you leave me now.
Leave the studio. Leave the studio.
Yes, I can't tell you. You think we are joking here? You understand?
I want Mr. Tilapia. Tilapia, let me do it. Mr. Tilapia.
Papa na.
Who monko?
Do you know that it's me take the phone?
Pardon?
Do you know that it's me take the phone?
I don't understand.
When I go inside there and I see the phone was working and I call him. The phone come, then we go.
That phone.
Yay! I said it.
It's a working.
No,
I was saying, I know the driver at the Pampaso. Yes, I know the taxi driver at the Pampa.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm a judge.
You will sound someone who drive a car.
I'm afraid go.
That's what I was saying.
I'm afraid live up.
So,
Papa, tell me kind. He was the one that stole the phone. I saw him. And then he be bold, yeah. And then Diana be basso.
Any plan like also Jamaican Papa na. Me say mon copy pieces of our to phone so mon to mark again. And I had to see boy in the boy nyama na ko mun kukune.
Papa na.
The lion. Yeah, Tinsem.
Biasi called to ye.
Yeah, Tinsem.
Come and meet your international judge.
Yeah, Tinsem.
Papa na.
Yeah, Tinsem.
The lion.
Yeah, Tinsem.
Some Sisio. Hey, the lion.
Yeah, Tinsem.